In today's lesson, we're going to solve equations with variables on each side. Now you'll recall that we've done this before when we learned the basics. Back on page 19, we took notes on this. I'm not going to review the basic steps, but rather take it a step further by discussing the number of solutions we can possibly have in our equations. If you want the basic notes, see page 19 for variables on each side. There are three possible solutions. That's no solution, otherwise known as null set. One solution, which you are used to finding every time you solve an equation, or infinitely many solutions, otherwise known as identity. Let's begin with no solution. An example of this, here's our equation. We see a variable on each side. I'm going to subtract 2x from each side, and I get 5 equals 0. Well, we know 5 does not equal 0. If we solve and the left side does not equal the right side, there is no solution. There is no value of x that we can substitute into this equation to make this equation true. That means we cannot make the left side equal the right side. That is null set. Let's look at one solution. In one solution, this is what you are used to. You solve an equation, you get a single answer, and that's it. That's your one solution. And last, infinitely many solutions. Again, I have a variable on each side, so I would pick one to get rid of. But when I do that, the variables go away, and I get 9 equals 9. This means that no matter what I substitute in for x, my left side will always equal my right side. It will always be true. There's an infinite number of solutions. The answer, the solution, is all numbers or identity. If you solve the equation and the left side equals the right side, there are an infinite number of solutions, infinitely many solutions.